is the Crescent Mechanics tool set, 170 pieces. Let's go ahead and unbox it. By the way, I got this knife off Amazon too. It's the Prometheus keychain pocket knife. Super sharp, I highly recommend it. Maybe I'll do a product review on this one. But let's see what we got inside the box here. Okay, so a little damage to the packaging. Check this out. So you guys can see packaging is a little damaged, but it's in a really thick hard case, so that shouldn't really matter too much. Rip the plastic off. So there you have it, the Crescent 170 piece mechanics tool set. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, actually the case is really messed up. Wow guys, look at that. Wow. Okay. So I should have the seller's information on screen, and maybe that's not the best seller to buy it from. Look at that, guys. Wow. Let's I definitely have to return this, and maybe I'll do an update video of the return process. Let you guys know if that was if they were easy to work with. Hopefully their customer service is pretty nice. Wow guys, this is one of the first damaged products I've ever received from Amazon. Go ahead and open it up. See what the inside looks like. Maybe put it towards you guys. So they're a little jumbled up. Hopefully there's nothing missing. It doesn't look like it. No, everything looks like it's there. Some things are just scattered. Not too bad overall, but the hole is right here under this piece. So there's no damage to the inside, but I still don't like the fact that it came that messed up. How do you even get a hole that big? See, shutting it, nothing falls out, that's good. How do you even get a hole that big in that hard case? Unless it was thrown around. Alright, let's look at the tools again. Alright guys, so on the back of the case it actually tells you everything that's in here. You have a lot of quick release ratchets, extended adapters, sockets, mechanics combination wrenches, long nose pliers, and you can see all the other things. There's a lot of nice bits here. As far as just feeling it, the quality feels good. It doesn't feel like a cheap attachment. Everything's all jumbled up and I have to fix it and organize it. So you got all your different kinds of bits right here. You got some magnetic screwdrivers, your adjustable wrench, long needle nose, all your attachments for your ratchets. This goes from 5/16 to 5/8, and then 15mm to 8mm. You got your Allen keys and a bunch of extension attachments, and of course your pliers. So let's go ahead and close it up and make sure nothing falls out as you're closing it. No, that's gonna go nice and smooth. Let's see if this one. Alright, so everything seems to be in the case pretty well, but I'm still disappointed about that. I'm gonna have to return it because of that. And like I said, I might give you guys an update, but overall I think this is a nice set. The tools feel sturdy, they don't feel cheap. There's huge variety, and it's a great value for the amount that you're paying for. And really, this toolkit seems to have a little bit of everything, so you can get a lot done with just this one kit. Thank you guys for watching my first ever episode of Amazon Reviews. Links to everything in the description below. Leave a like, subscribe, and share if you like the video. And if you think any of your friends or family are interested in any products I review, make sure you share it with them so that they know what they're getting before they buy it also. See you guys next time.
Hi there, YouTube. Well, I haven't made a video in a while, so I thought I'd make a video of my toolkit that I've gotten recently. It is a Crescent toolkit, and I got this from school. I'm going to Travis now for automotive, and from helping them a lot, painting the garages again, and sweeping up and helping them out with everything, they gave me a toolkit. Put my Sunoco sticker there, just to customize it. It's a pretty big toolkit. It's a 170 piece. So I can get it in camera here. I'll start up at the top here. My metric and SAE Allen wrenches. My extensions. And my adapter. My ratchets, my 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchets, my channel locks, and up here my metric and standard Crescent wrenches, my metric and SAE sockets, my deep well sockets, spark plug sockets, my needle nose pliers, cutters, all my bits that I need, my adjustable Crescent wrench, my screwdrivers, and the adapter screwdriver. This thing retails for $130. That's how you close it up. It's a pretty good sized toolkit. Weighs about 31 pounds, so it's a pretty hefty one. Not like I'm gonna carry this thing around a lot. But it's really nice, and I thought I'd give you guys a video of it. Thanks for watching.